So it's been an hour and it is pretty dry to touch. So I want to see how it's going to hold up. I'm going to tape off a piece in the middle all to itself just to see how it adheres to. This side completely off. I decided I want to try this in two parts. The first being a light coat. Okay. You got a good drop on that time. second coat for this side. Now before I go over these, I'm going to let this dry, and we'll spray it, and then we'll go over all of these, because basically they were done in real time. So yeah, we'll be back when that dry. Spray the coat on it and review. Okay, now this part is dry. That. Let's see how it holds up. Just go ahead and saturate it. Okay, this side is a real light coat. This is one coating of sealant with this is one coating okay, this is with one coating and a light spray of the spray adhesive 200 mil. This is one coat with a heavy coat of the adhesive, and on the bottom portion is two coats with a heavy spray of adhesive. Now you see with the spray, now you see even with the light coat, if it's a heavy drop, it will start to heat through, as well as you can see with the one coat, the heavy droplets started to make its way through the paint. And on the bottom, with the two coats, even with the heavy droppings, it seemed to withstood the heavy droplets even a bit. So I think this would be pretty good if you wanted to use it as a backing. However, the spray itself really doesn't take. So maybe if it sit for a while, I mean even that side is about that tacky. That's the heavy coated side. The light coated side, heavy coated. It's a little tacky, but that's nothing to write home about. Heavy coated, heavy paint. Maybe once it dried out a little bit more, it might hold, but no way is that sufficient enough for use. So the fundamental, I believe it was, snatch and go or thwart and go, grab and go, works pretty good for a base, but this is not good for an adhesive, the foam. Oh yeah, to go over the other test sprays. This here is direct heavy spray right onto the foam. You see how it slowly eats it away. A light spray. Light spray, it took it okay, but you see where the droplets, wherever the direct droplets, start to eat right through it. Same thing, light spray, droplets. Light spray with the droplets. And as well, none of it sticks. None of these light sprays sticks at all. No adhesive. Even the heavy spray directly to the foam, no adhesive. So this is out. Okay, so we have a new contender. Alright, first, the small cabinet, I used the white glue as an adhesive for the material. Also with using the white glue as a covering. The effects of that is I did not recommend it for either. And there's a video you can check out for the results for the white glue as well as for all the other ones. As far as the Gorilla Wood glue, using it as a covering, I do not recommend. It's a thicker layer. It lays on thicker than the white glue. However, it will flake off just as easy as the white glue flakes off. That's why I do not recommend those at all for a covering. With the Mod Podge, you have better contact on the surface as opposed to with the white glue or the Gorilla Wood glue. I would use the Mod Podge again on a project as an adhesive for the top layer, especially to bond other materials to. And like I said, it's the most durable of the three. However, with the Mod Podge, I do not like the contact method to the foam. As a matter of fact, I'm not happy with either three of these as far as contact to the foam. A new contender will be Wellwood contact cement. This is the original. We're going to give it a try under a few different circumstances. So let's see how it works.